I do know that the Southeast actually said, yes, it is your turn to be president of this nation. I'm not aware that the Southeast directly has come out to agitate for the vice presidency. And actually looking at the structure in this nation, we've generally talked about the North and the South. But going deeper into the fact that we have geopolitical zones, we do realize that there are two particular geopolitical zones that feel shortchanged. The Northeast political zone, where the former vice president, our candidate Atiku Abubakar, is from, and then the Southeast geopolitical zone, where that have actually told Nigerians that it appears that these two political zones have been shortchanged because none of them, no son from these two zones have been president of this nation. They obviously have a point, and I believe that we sympathize with them. And I believe also that since one of us has emerged from the Northeast at this point in time, that is a good sign for the future, that if the Northeast has the opportunity, and by God's grace, Atiku Abubakar becomes the president, which I think that is going to become by the special grace of God, then it's a good sign that the Southeast will have the opportunity, because at the next point in time, what we'll be talking about is that the Southeast itself is the only zone that is left, and they lay claim to it. For me, yes, I'm from Delta State, but I'm definitely an Igbo man. There's no doubt about that. I'm from Delta State in the South, but if you're looking at Igbos across the country, I'm an Igbo man. I can't be counted out, and that is a true situation. Okay. So the issue of the vice presidency has not been on the debate where it will go to. It's actually premised on the fact that when the presidential candidate emerges, he looks for what possible zone and what possible person can work with me, and what can be part of the team that can make us actually succeed in governing the people aright. And I think that is what informed the decision. Okay. I'm just a lucky person that being from the South, I am also an Igbo man, and to that extent, I fit into all the divides.